Hi guys, good morning. My name is Dr. Rujita Puranik and welcome back to our channel and welcome to today's video. So this is one of the most requested videos that I'll be shooting today and I'll be sharing everything with you today. So today it's going to be sort of a vlog, but in the middle I'll be telling you guys about all the things that I try to do weekly for my skincare and my hair care. And as you can see, बहुत ज़्यादा pimples आ चुके हैं. That's because water intake has been very low, but usse pehle I don't know if you guys can see, I've made a mess. So first let's clean this and then I'll take you guys through. Alright, so here we have पाण्याची बाटली and a glass. I don't know if I should tell this, but मैंने मेरे phone पे alarms लगाए हैं drink water daily and इसके apps भी आते हैं. So if you want, just check your app store, play store, वहाँ पे आपको apps मिल जाएंगे which remind you daily to drink water. So yeah, this is probably the first and the most important tip that you guys need to follow if you want good skin. That is, drink a lot of water because यार देख रहे हो पानी नहीं पीने का असर. तो या पानी बहुत पियो. Now it's time to clean that board and I think I will lay out the ideas that I have in mind for the video on the board. And study wise हम क्या करने वाले हैं ये इसमें डायरी में लिखते हैं. And इसके बाद I'll just take you through the day, like मैं दिन में कैसे अपना skin care and hair care manage करती हूँ, because I don't have dedicated time to कि आज नहीं, आज तो मेरा skin care day है, आज मैं ये करूँगी वो करूँगी. I don't have that sort of time. तो जो भी मुझे पढ़ाई करते करते असिस्ट करेगा स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर में, आई विल शो दैट. This video is going to be divided into skincare, hair care, body care and mental and physical health. That is also one type of caring for yourself. So in skincare, first I already told you that you need to drink a lot of water. And today I'm going to show you my DIY mask that I make and the weekly routine that I follow and what I follow otherwise on a daily basis. For hair care, I'll have a surprise. I'll just reveal it in a moment. But after hair wash and tell about oiling this, we'll come to that. But for body care, today is my hair removal day. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, yeah, there. बहुत बाल आ गए हैं, so it's time to scrub, hair removal and moisturize. And for mental and physical health, we have exercise, reading and meditation. Now that the planning is out of the way, let's talk about the surprise that I have for hair care. So this is ProTouch. It's India's first LED hair growth comb. It is clinically tested and very easy and safe to use. It has two lights. The red light, it stimulates collagen, helps regeneration of cell and enhances your hair growth. And the blue light, it soothes and calms your scalp and controls dandruff. Can you hear this? It has a vibration mode which stimulates your scalp and helps in circulation of blood. And these are the ProTouch Biotin and Collagen hair growth drops. They basically have concentrated formula and it's scientifically proven. It's vegan, paraben free, sulfate free and FDA approved. So in order to use this, you need to apply 4 to 5 drops of this solution on your scalp where you notice hair thinning or hair fall. And you need to massage it using this comb. You need to do about 15 to 20 strokes and you need to do this process for about 3 to 4 weeks to see results. To know more about ProTouch, check the description box. I have mentioned all the links over there. So do check them out and give it a try. So let's start studying, but before that I'll quickly wash my face and come so that I can show you the first step in my skincare routine. Always make sure you don't rub your face after washing, just pat dry. So the best thing that you can do to have a great skin is to take steam while you're studying, because it's a great way. It opens up all your pores and brings out all the dirt. So first thing, steam. As you can see, I have taken my steam and my face might be a bit red. So the pores are open, so the best thing that you can do when your pores are open is scrub, because I have a lot of blackhead problems. So I scrub just the T-zone, like this area and my blackheads. And I don't use a fancy scrub. In fact, I have a DIY hack to use a scrub. So this is just coffee, and in that I'm going to add some coconut oil and just mix it really well and use this as a DIY scrub. Now that I've finished cleaning my scrub off, it feels really soft because of the coconut oil. After that, it's time for my face mask. तो मैंने एक bowl में I've taken dahi, a little bit of turmeric powder, and इसमें I'm going to add aloe vera gel. I forgot to tell, add besan also. Alright guys, one more thing, ये DIY मैं करती हूँ because मुझे ये करने में मज़ा आता है. It does not mean कि आप लोगों ने भी यही सेम करना चाहिए. If you have any other masks or any other things, you can research and use what you feel suits for you the best. तो अभी मेरा ये मास्क लगा के हो गया है. मैं 20 minutes का टाइमर लगाऊंगी, तब तक पढ़ूंगी and then we'll wash this off. Alright, so time is up. This has dried. मैं अभी जाके ये धो के आती हूँ. It's itching. See you guys. तो guys, मैं मेरा मास्क धो के नहा के ही आ गई. एंड मेरा अभी मैं आपको एक शॉर्ट में मेरा पोस्ट हेयर वॉश या फिर एवरीडे स्किन केयर रूटीन बताती हूँ. मैं 2 मिनट में वापस आई. तो मैं अभी लंच का पार्सल लाने जा रही हूँ. उसके बाद लंच करके आई विल कंटिन्यू माई स्किन केयर एंड हेयर केयर. मैं जो भी कर रही हूँ, बट अभी जाके लंच लेके आते हैं. I just got lunch. So today is Wednesday. Generally on Wednesdays we eat non-veg. I'm very excited for lunch. Plus I'm hungry क्योंकि मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है. But अभी लंच करते हैं. Alright guys, so after I had a heavy lunch, मुझे नींद आई और मैं अराउंड 30-40 मिनट्स के लिए सोई. बट लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द स्किन केयर. मैंने मेरा दिन का 2nd कप लाया है कॉफ़ी का, बिकॉज अभी बहुत पढ़ाई करना बाकी है, तो अभी पढ़ाई पे भी कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. तो माई फर्स्ट स्टेप इज यूजिंग अ टोनर. अभी कभी कभी आई डोंट यूज अ टोनर, लाइक इट्स ऑप्शनल फॉर मी. अभी घर पे है तो आई एम यूजिंग. एंड देन उसके बाद आई यूज अ सीरम. नाउ फॉर स्किन ब्राइटनिंग यू कैन यूज अ विटामिन सी सीरम, या फिर इफ यू हैव ब्रेकआउट्स हैपनिंग देन सैलिसिलिक एसिड सीरम इज गुड. या फिर इन जनरल इफ यू वांट टू यूज लाइक रिड्यूस एक्ने स्पॉट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, देन नाइसिनामाइड इज अ गुड ऑप्शन फॉर यू. यू कैन गो फॉर एनी ब्रांड यू लाइक, बिकॉज रिजल्ट्स आपको एक कंसिस्टेंट यूज के बाद ही दिखने वाले हैं. सो आफ्टर अ सीरम आई गो फॉर अ मॉइस्चराइजर एंड अ सनस्क्रीन. बस उसके आगे आई थिंक फॉर माई बॉडी I use a normal moisturizer, like I think it's a Nivea moisturizer that I'm using right now. Skin care cover कर दिया, hair care cover कर दिया, and I guess सुबह से मेरा skin थोड़ा बहुत glow कर रहा होगा, I hope. But अभी के लिए coffee and let's get back to studying. Alright guys, so I've studied for quite some time now and it's time for dinner. तो अभी मैं डिनर करने जाती हूँ एंड आई गेस दिस वीडियो एंड्स हियर. मैंने मैक्सिमम कवर किया. आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट माई स्किन केयर एंड माई हेयर केयर. आई रिमेंबर कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एक फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ केयर के लिए रीडिंग, मेडिटेशन एंड एक्सरसाइज बोला था. अभी रीडिंग तो हो नहीं सकता एंड मेडिटेशन मेरा तभी होता है जब मैं एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ, तो वो तो मैंने नहीं किया आज. या सो दैट वाज इट फॉर दिस व्लॉग गाइज. आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो एंड इफ यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel अगर नहीं किया होगा तो. हमारा second channel भी है, make sure you subscribe to that as well. And yeah, wait for more such vlogs. See you soon. Bye.